that there is a muddy spot. We're gonna just kind of go back this way. Welcome back. It's harvest day 15? 16. Harvest day 16. And because in the last video I said something about reaching 2,000 subscribers, that I'd do another hat giveaway.
Not mine though.
Not his hat. Not his hat though. One of these hats. To win a hat, all you have to do is just like the video, and then in the comment section below, say if you're a farmer or a non-farmer. That'd be pretty interesting to see. So we're gonna pull all these signs out that are along the front of this plot, and then we'll move over to getting the combine ready to go. What, you guys didn't think it was gonna be like sunny and nice outside, did you? Guys, if a guy was smart, he'd do that at the end of the day, not at the beginning. Ugh, get me, air bath me, dude. I got stuff way in my eyes. I did it better. So I'm going to use my board from the plot day to kind of give you guys the idea of the plan for today if we can make it happen. So right here's the farm that we're at. Right there's the shop. Here is the 11 hybrid plot right here. All the different colors is the different hybrids. That's why I could pull the signs and still be okay, because the ag leader will tell me which hybrid I'm in. My goal, however, is to get some end rows off here, because there's a fence right back here that I can get into this field, and I want to get into these yellow and purple right here, because this is where I'm testing variable rate versus flat rate seeding. That's the plan for today at about 9 o'clock in the morning, and we'll just kind of let you guys go along with it to see how things go. Time to get out and see what the machine's doing. Lovely harvest conditions we have here today, Andrew.
Lovely.
That don't look too bad, does it? Yeah, there's a little bit coming out of the head. Yeah, there's some coming out of the head, but other than that, it looks pretty good. Are you guarding the combine? So there's a lot of things that I'm trying to learn from this field, and one of the biggest ones is if variable rating your seed on ground down here in southern Iowa pays. And so far I've harvested about 7 acres of variable rate and 7 acres of flat rate. And at this point in time, the variable rate is beating the flat rate prescription by 4 bushels to the acre. Oh look, some more 2019 hybrid special. Starting to sprinkle on me here. My cart's full. I need to go get a truck. It's starting to not be nice out. Hi, bud. we just had to take our yearly crop photo. It'll be the thumbnail. Or it was the thumbnail. Well, it's 9 o'clock, 9:01 actually, and we've got 30 some odd acres done there. So we're doing pretty good. I kind of did the math, and I think that if we take some trucks tomorrow, excuse me, Bandit, I'm trying to shoot an end to the video, that I should be able to put all of the trucks, or all the rest of the corn onto trucks, and then they can be delivered on Monday. Tomorrow we should be able to pick the champion seed plot. Come on, bud. I'm not letting you out here. We're just dropping off Andrew. So, anyways, thank you guys very much for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow. Hopefully, as long as it doesn't freakishly rain. So, say bye, Andrew.
Bye.
Oh, there's some mud for you. Got your mud, boys? Yep, that's the mud. That beep there at the end tells you that you're in the mud. That's what it's saying.